$8,789 with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 7 days with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, as you can see here, okay, those are some of the results in Nutra weight loss space. Now, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to give you the real secret of why you maybe can't convert, and why you're not getting results with weight loss offers and other offers like manifestation and self-help niche on Clickbank. Okay, now here are the results with Google pay-per-click ads. And the most important thing when it comes to Google ads is knowing that people go on Google either to buy the product or to get educated before they buy a product. Okay, so they have what we call buyer's intent, which is very important. Buyer's intent. Okay, let me show you over here the secret. You can see most of the gurus on Clickbank, when you buy $3,000, $4,000 courses, they will teach you some outdated methods. You can see over here, this is the example of some of those landing pages on ClickFunnels, right? Yes, it look good, but there is no buyer's intent. There is only, let me show over here, there is only zero intent. There's only curiosity building, meaning people are clicking because they see something interesting, maybe some weird, ugly image, right? It makes people curious. It's good for the eye, but not good for your bank account. What do I mean by that? They will not buy the product, right? They only are interested enough to click on your ad and go to your sales page or pre-sale page, and then they don't buy. So you waste your time and money. Now, if you're smart, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, you understand this secret, which is, first of all, you need to create a funnel which will not only capture curiosity, but also put person or audience in the problem state and move them through emotional states into the solution state, where the sales and conversions are actually happening. Because people, this is the secret, people only buy when they are in the solution state. But first of all, you have to know, are they problem aware? Are they totally unaware audience? Are they solution aware? Okay? Are they product aware? Are they males or females? So when you're running Google ads, you have to know all of these things. Now, of course, you don't have to spend months and years learning by yourself. You just need to have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one, by hand holding you along the way. Okay, for example, over the Zoom call, so you can get campaign up and running really quickly, okay, and fast forward yourself to have much more better results than the rest of the people who are trying something for nothing, for free, never getting further. Okay, you can see some of the results some of the clients are getting over here, and over here you can see how it works actually, right? We have, for example, one person who is going to click on your Google ad. They're going to see text. Of course, remember, this is faceless. You don't have to show your face. No, there is no videos. There's just text with keywords. Okay? So one person will buy entire funnel. What do I mean by that? You see, my friend, when you go on Clickbank, you'll see there are products, weight loss products, info products, courses, where when you're promoting as an affiliate, making 90 to 100% affiliate commissions per each sale, you have upsell. So upsell take rate is really high on some product. So for example, one of my secrets is I would target only countries or specific states in the United States, or specific areas in Australia, or specific countries in Asia where they are speaking English language, of course, or South Africa, for example. Specific audiences, specific languages. So I avoid competition, and also my pre-sale page is made in a way not to only get attention, but also to invoke enough buyer's intent. So when you have, remember this, write it down now, when you have the right message to the market match, you will be able to get sales. Okay? If you already knew how to make money with Clickbank, you wouldn't be watching this video right now, but you don't. And the reason why is, and again, it's not your fault. Maybe you have tried before. The reason you don't know how to make it is because you haven't had someone who show you exactly the strategy that you can install in 2025 to start having results. Because now is the time for you to finally get up and running your own affiliate campaign. Okay? You can be spending 20 to 30 minutes per day by actually running the ad campaign. One campaign, maybe make $100, $350 per day, and then scale from there. Okay, that's very important. So you can see over here some of the results in our Facebook group once we work together one-on-one. Okay, so let me tell you that maybe you already paid the price. Maybe you bought courses in the past. Maybe you watch videos. So you already spent time. It would go to waste if you would just quit and give up. Okay, because you could be very close right now. So now is the time for you to get up and running, to get someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way. Okay, with Google pay-per-click ads, this is very important. You can start really low, 10 to 15 US dollars per day. And once you have one sale with upsells, right? Because remember, I told you before, over here, one person will buy, for example, $47 product, and then they're gonna buy, I don't know, weight loss supplement for $197, a bundle, 3 pills together, for example, right? And you can earn up to 300 US dollars just from one customer and one sale on Clickbank. And the rest is all of your profit in one day. Okay? So that's very important. So as you watch this video, you can reach out to me later. Over here, you can see we get it done together. You can reach out to me. You have my WhatsApp number, my free Facebook group, my Instagram, and my Facebook Messenger with email. So everything is in the description below this video, okay? Now, you can also reach out to me in my Instagram. You can see over here some of the results, okay? Now, you can reach out, you can follow me, ask me any questions you want with regards to affiliate marketing, running ads in 2025, but only if you're serious, if you really want to get it up and running and start having sustainable, consistent results in 2025.